As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome to the live session with Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Current time is 7:34 on this beautiful Wednesday. All right, we have big news coming up at 10 a.m. for a Canadian red folder, and then we have some USD at 10 too. But until then, guys, we're just hitting up normal news here. All right, so guys, that being said, make sure to check the description box on a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken upon yourself, try not to risk more than 1%. All right, especially during this volatile time in the market. Okay, we do have a lot of opportunities presenting itself for us today. We just got to watch and see what's the best opportunity for us. Okay, and try not to risk more than 1%. Okay, we're not financial advisors, so any trades are taken upon yourself. Please realize that. And yeah, guys, so also just one last thing, in the description box there's a recommended broker by us called HankoTrade. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of it by now, but if you're looking for someone new and maybe you're in the US or somewhere that your broker is not allowing you to sign up with, you can check them out. Just download the demo account first, don't just fund right away. See how it makes sense for you, and if it works, then go from there. Okay, so all right, guys, so we're going to start with gold here on the daily. All right, once we get to around 100 likes, we're going to head over to NASDAQ. Okay, and then, so on and so on. The Dow 300. If you guys want to see oil, we'll type out 400. So let's just watch and see here. But let's get down to doing our top downs here on the gold. Okay, and you can see that we've made some nice moves already on gold. Nice big bullish move here. Currently at 1670.8. All right. A lot of opportunities for maybe gold to get a retracement here. You can see on the daily here we do have some rejection starting to come into play. So daily resistance is holding pretty good so far. Okay, I do see some daily support here just below. All right, I'm going to use this candle structure right here. It's like a bullish flag pattern. Okay, price moved up. Nice volume-based candle. You have a flag right here. Okay, consolidation, then you have the continuation. So a very bullish move on gold, and the same thing actually just happened to the left too. Okay, you can see a flagpole here. Okay, some consolidation, and then it continued actually bearish. Okay, and then you can see because of the demand at the bottom here on the daily. Okay, make that green for you guys just so you guys can understand. That's where the buyers have been sitting. A lot of double bottom liquidity grabs here around 1619, 1618, and then you can see we pushed back up leading into where we are now. Okay, so let's just erase everything here. Just wanted to break that down real quick for you. All right, let's go to our 4 hour now. Okay, let's just update this real quick. Looking good. Okay, and then I can see I have some nice 4 hour resistance on the current rejection candle here. Made a nice little low around 1666.65. So 4 hour support starting to hold. Okay, and I'm not going to use the 24 hour resistance so far. We have daily coming up. If you really want to though, from that 1673 to 1674, it's about a $1 move. Okay, you can put some 4 hour resistance if you're a diehard. You can see we'll just throw it in there just so we have both 4 hours here. Okay, all right, so let's go look at our hourly now. Okay, nice rejection coming in from the 4 hour. All right, do see some nice hourly resistance coming in from the rejection wicks. You can see attempt to go bullish and it's pushing back down. All right, so I'm going to use right here as an hourly resistance. Okay, and then you can see some hourly support just below, starting to hold. Okay, we'll take a peek at our 15-minute now. Okay, we can move that up for hourly here. Just update everything good. 15-minute support at the bottom wick. All right, and then I'm going to use the top wick here as a 15-minute rejection candle. All right, and we'll take a peek at the 5 now. All right, starting to get pushed back down here. Nice rejection candle coming in. Okay, a little bit of a trend starting to form. You can see from wick, we have a 5-minute rejection coming down here, but we're getting held up along that support. Okay, so this is on the 5-minute now. We're just going to watch and see here. Current time 7:40. All right, I can see price maybe breaking a key level here, and you know, maybe getting back down to that 1666. Let's take a peek here. Okay, so nice support levels being held, sorry. You can see right along that trend. Okay, so let's take a look at our RSI here. You can see right along the 50, so I'm looking to get have some patience at this current time. Okay, and then we will take a peek at our 9, and where's the 200? Okay, we're about heavily above the 200 from the big bullish move that we had yesterday. Okay, you can see right around here, this is where price is usually drawn to. You can see that the 9 EMA is right in the middle of it. We're at the 50 line. So right now is just that time where we're going to sit back and relax. You can see the RSI scanner is showing that GU on the 4-hour, hourly 30 minutes is overbought. Okay, so let's monitor GBP USD as well. All right. So right before that new hourly, okay, change up, you can see 1669. Okay, let's watch and see if price is maybe going to get a little bit of a drop here. Looking to get down to that 1666. Okay, on the 4-hour, it's still very bullish. Okay, so keep that in mind. We're looking for a big move here, and don't just randomly enter. That's at 1670. Okay, so nice level of support. All right, we're going to check out the DXY in about a minute and 45. Okay, that's going to lead to the last 15-minute candle, the hourly. That's what I'm really looking for. Okay, so just about a minute and 10. Okay, you can see the indecisiveness right now leading into that last 15 minute. Just want to see that new candle up and go check out the DXY. Okay, 25 seconds here. Did you guys see in that Wuhan has locked down part of the city center due to coronavirus? I don't know if you guys would have saw that or not. It's part of city center. I don't know if there's much more to it than that, but this will definitely affect gold and oil for sure. So okay, so nothing really closed below here, guys. Let's go take a look at that DXY. Look at GU here, heavily just consolidated. All right, and GU is getting a little bit of sell here. Sorry, NASDAQ, you can see GU is getting a little bit of short-term pullback too. All right, then we have the DXY here. Okay, this is perfect for what I like to do. Okay, we have a nice consolidation box on the DXY. Okay, and my TPs for the DX will be right down here. Demand, and then I have some supply just above. Okay, so these are the levels I'm looking for in the DXY. Okay, looks like we're starting to get a little bit of rise here. Okay, so we'll just monitor this. I'll set an alarm. One quick second. All right, let's go take a peek. Okay, there goes gold. Nice rejection level coming in. All right, I'm in at gold in a small lot size feeler lot. Okay, see how this is going. I got it at 69.95. Okay, small initial feeler and see how things go. Okay, nice big rejection break of the trend line here, starting to slowly sink. There we go, I'm running 6 pips. There we go. Almost 10 pips. Okay, so just would have almost hit TP1. Have your stop loss around here, guys, around 1672. Okay. So there's 10 pips. Just tap TP1. Okay, so if you guys are happy with that, secure some if you'd like, move your stop loss to break even, trail your stop by maybe 10, 12 pips, whatever you'd like to do. Okay, The only thing that to the left you can see here, move that over, is this support level here. Okay, so we might get a short-term retracement. Our price may be retraced back up slowly, but we're looking to break this level. All right, obviously we need more momentum here. The volume is starting to come in a little bit stronger. The last 15-minute candle, oh, there you go, you can see the support level. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that quick reversal. So hit TP1, guys, and quickly reversed. Let's just watch and see. Got about 15 seconds left on the current candle. We know that there are buyers sitting there, okay? Especially from that wick, okay? You can see heavy support level, all right? Look right here. Okay, nice momentum hold. Continuing. The only reason why we're looking for a short-term pullback here is to break this trend, but look at what they're doing now, okay? So if you missed the overall entry, just sit back and relax. Like I said, it's 7:50 now. Okay, if you're not comfortable trading right before that new hourly, there's no need to trade. All right. Maybe gold will go to 1658. Well, let's see. Let's see. I am bearish personally on gold, but we'll see how the markets react. Anything can happen. Okay, we got a first alarm coming off here. Let's watch and see. And let's go flip to what's going on here. Oh, gold, I like you. I like you, gold. Oh, there goes GU, guys. Let's see if we're coming back down. DXY. Okay, guys, so we're holding that trend line here. Okay, let's see if we can get our push back up to that supply. Big push. This is going to be a volume break here, guys. If we see this, it's going to be a volume-based candle. Back running 10 pips. Oh, yeah. Baby. 100, I'm running 120 bucks. Right. 12 pepperoonies. 130 now. Is anyone in on this gold trade? Did anyone get it? Oh, man. 17. Let's keep walking her down, guys. Right off the bat. First trade, 1 for 1. 15 pips. Let's see if I can get 20 pips out of this. Oh, yeah, let's go. Guys, smash these like button for me, please. Let's get this up to like 300 ASAP so I don't have to look like a hobo and beg you guys for some likes. All right. Let's see if we can get that momentum continuation, guys. We've got about 7 more minutes. Okay. Remember, these things don't always take play extremely fast. All right. It'll take some time for these trades to fruition. Okay. If you look at the 15-minute, look at what we got going on here. This is a beautiful potential M pattern. But again, your TP, we're looking at the 4-hour support. Okay. that could maybe turn gold into a W pattern, but the momentum is still very strong here. I like these candles, engulfing. Okay, nice volume-based bearish candlesticks here. What is the safest way to automate a trading edge without getting stoled by coders? Learn how to trade yourself, because then no one can really take what's in your head from you unless you decide to give it. Okay guys, so new candles opening up here. Got some volume stepping in. Okay, getting a little bit of a pullback. All right, guys, about 4 minutes until that new 8 a.m. Let's take a peek. This is the overall target. You can see that there are and have been buyers sitting in around that area, 1667, but we'll watch and see. From that move to that move, we're looking at maybe about a 20 pip drop, depending on where you actually got in your spreads and commissions. All right, let's go take a peek at our DXY here. Getting a little bit of rejection. I can guarantee it at that resistance. Okay, so not making it fully up yet. They're going to retest that key level here. Look at the structure. See a support level here, rejection level here. And how many times did they try to break this? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then they broke, and then 1, 2 retest before the continuation. So this is a pretty key level here now, guys. All right. So I can see them probably coming back and retesting this and making their next big move based on that. We got that 3-minute change up now for the hourly. All right. Okay, so here we go, retesting. Let's watch Goldie here, maybe getting that volume here. Okay, we're getting some support. Oil report. Okay, let's see what we got going on oil here. Okay. Guys, you only have 150 likes, so we can't talk about oil yet. We'll talk about oil at 300. Members, just watch the updates in the group here. Okay, so new hourly's coming in, guys. Just one more minute here. Cam Cash. My man. Cam, I like you already, bro. New BFF. Okay, so nice rejection at that hourly. Elaine, I'm going to ask you to do me a favor, hon, okay? Since you're my oil lady, I always know that you are trading oil all the time. Just send a little bit of updates at where we're at. I know where we're at right now, around 86. Okay, you know where the levels are. I personally trust you to be able to update our group. Just update some key levels if we come to our critical zone, okay? But make sure you have some coffee before. Sometimes we all get a little tired. Okay, guys, so here we go. Let's see gold. New candle opened up. You can see a little rejection above with that first hourly was once support, and now it's acting as a resistance level here, okay? So let's watch and see how we're going to go. Oh, guys, look at that new hourly change up. Oh, here we go. Look at this thing. I just got a really nice email coming in, guys, from my Forex funds. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with that. Hello, David. Thank you for contacting me. I often watch your live streams and listen to you in the background. Okay, you're talking about one of the main guys at MFF. It's really good work. I really enjoy watching you when I work. It gives me live updates on what's happening in the market on key levels. Very nice. And then he talks about the affiliate codes and stuff like that. Very nice, guys. Okay, so back at it. We are finding that level of support. Okay, I'm still in that sell. I have not exited yet. Sir, what is my WhatsApp number? Ay, ay, ay. If you actually find someone online to give you their WhatsApp number, you should probably be contacting them and not me, because I do not feel comfortable giving anyone my WhatsApp number over YouTube. Okay, guys, so we're coming into now almost hitting break even. I'm still running about 4 pips. Ay, 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 that thing went bullish. I'm still holding, guys. See how the new changeup, guys, has a huge impact on where we're at in the market. This is still the first 5-minute candle here, so just remember that. Come on. Make your moves, guys. Let's see here. I wanna maybe move on to the next. We're gonna look at NASDAQ here. I'm just giving it the first 5 minutes, guys. I'm gonna take a look at NASDAQ. I'm still running $50, 5 pips. Yeah, Nicole, I'm thinking the same thing. Goldie's maybe having that little retracement here, finding that demand level support, maybe turning into a W. So let's watch and see. I want to go quickly check out the DXY first. Whoa. Okay, so remember we talked about this. Look at what's actually happening on the DXY. So I'm not going to do anything yet until I see what's happening here. All right. They pushed up. They're retesting that critical level. If they start to break down here, yeah, for sure, we're probably going to see gold maybe move up a bit. But if they start to hold this level, all right, I could see price starting to move up. Okay. I do see a nice rejection level. Obviously, right here, we all should see this. Okay, and we're slowly starting to close below. All right, about 13 seconds here. Oh. Not yet, gold. Come on. Drop it like it's hot. See where they're putting it near the hourly, guys? So if you guys are still in on this and you don't feel comfortable maybe going into some drawdown, maybe grab your pips. If you guys got entered in at the 1669, roughly around here, 0.5, 0.7, whatever it may be, you're still running about 6-7 pips. Oh, I may be speaking too soon. Oh, daddy. Oh, yeah. Gold is the daddy of all instruments, guys. This thing will spank you if you're bad, which means bad entries, and it'll reward you if you're good. Let's go check out that DXY real quick. Okay, so here's the attempt again. I got my girl Nicole saying trail these cells. Okay, I'm with you. I'm still in those cells. Okay, guys, so I need someone to monitor gold here for me. I'm going to do NASDAQ. Okay, we did the love here. You guys are being awesome today. Really responsive, which is huge. Okay, so I'm going to do a top down on NASDAQ. Just monitor gold for me. Okay, we'll go from there. Okay, so I see a nice rejection coming here from the multiple levels. Okay, daily resistance. Guys, I got a quick question for you before I keep with this. Is there a lot of people on here who use MFF? Because we do have an affiliate link with them. It's not bad. Okay, like we haven't been putting it on there just because we keep within our group. But do you guys like MFF? Like, do a lot of people use it? If you don't, can you let me know what prop firm you guys are currently using? All right. We recommend HankoTrade for sure, okay, as our broker. I have an account with them. I do like them personally. I deal with them personally, okay? But for prop firms, like, what do you guys like? Let me know, okay? And if you don't know what MFF is, it's my Forex funds, okay? I've heard that the payouts are always legitimate. There's no real issues with them, And to run a company like that, I think I saw they gave around payouts 53 million or something like that. Insane, okay? Sonia, yeah. That's what we kind of recommend too. There's two of them. Funded Trader is also very good. Yeah, we have an affiliate with them too. I just want to see what you guys like because for real, we have a big YouTube base. We also have a big member base. Okay, so I like to hear feedback from everyone. All right, everyone. So 4-hour resistance. Okay, let's go look at the hourly. I passed each count and then I made $1 on each account for my payout and I got paid. Good. Okay, so nice. We're going here. Okay, nice hourly support. Okay, and I got some hourly resistance here, starting to hold. Okay, and we'll go to the 15 real quick. Okay, I'll just make some quick updates here, guys. Looking good. All right, see that key level right to the left. I'm going to use this candle support. Okay, so 15-minute support coming in. Vantage. Okay, guys, like honestly, I really appreciate you guys sharing your opinions and what you guys are using here. Okay, it helps us as a company, you know, find the best one for the masses. Okay, because our goal is not to just have 42,000. Okay, we want to have 100,000 very soon, which will be heavily promoted along YouTube. Okay, so we just want to make sure we're aligned with the right people and the right companies. Okay, so we got some 15-minute resistance here so far. Okay, and then we'll go to our 5-minute here. Okay, so look at NASDAQ, guys. This is really choppy. Okay, we'll go back to gold in a couple seconds, but like, look, okay, you guys got to understand something. As much as you want to have your favorite pair being traded or whatever it is, like, look at where we're at on NASDAQ. Me personally, okay, I don't feel comfortable trading anything like this, okay, because look at where they're at the 200 EMA and the 9. Like, this to me is not something that I really want to be part of, okay? It's not something I want to be a part of, all right? And you guys should probably feel the same way. If you guys remember, we traded gold on Monday. That thing was like, it was horrible, okay? So many head fakes to the point where it's not, you don't, like, you don't even know what to do, okay? So I'm feeling the same way about NASDAQ. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set some alarms here, okay? And we're just going to work off our alarm base, all right? Hopefully you guys understand that. It's the best situation and scenario you can do right now, all right? And what I'm going to show you here is the consolidation that we have, all right? It's heavily consolidated in and around this zone. Guys, I'm feeling pretty good today. Nicole's giving me some confidence. Okay, so let's maybe take a peek at Goldie again. No, we're back here to this consolidation stuff. Okay, so see how it dropped down again. It made that double tap at that, what level is that here? 1667. Okay, so nothing was broke down there just yet. All right, so I'm going to erase this blue line. We know we've almost dropped about 20 pips. All right, we're still below that 9 EMA here, which is holding as the floating resistance. Okay, so we broke the trend. All right, nice big move here. You can see another trend starting to form. Let's see if we can break that now. How long until New York session? We're in New York session, but 9:30 is the New York Stock Exchange open. Okay. Fox Physique. What is the main difference between the monthly and the program? The monthly, guys, like I said, it has live trading. Okay, so it has all of our Zoom calls, everything like that. The alerts is just basically the trade ideas with chart setups. Okay, that's it. So Guys, and straight up here, we're almost at 42,000. I wouldn't be surprised at the end of the call here if I stay till about 10 o'clock. I think we can probably get that 42K. And also today, guys, we are hosting a live seminar in our private Zoom room. Bruce Pringle, the part owner, co-founder of Bookmap, okay, which is providing live liquidity, all right. And we're going to be going over how to use that platform and what key things to look for when using it, okay, how to navigate. And very soon, like I keep saying this, but it's just the computer issue that I'm having. You need to have a very powerful computer because you're basically streaming live rhythmic data from market conditions, and that takes a heavy feed and a heavy stress on your actual computer itself. So we've upgraded to another computer system. It's very powerful, and in about a week or so, I'm going to be using a split screen where you're going to be seeing live Bookmap and trading view together combined. Okay. We haven't been doing post New York lately, right? Because PK did it yesterday. We have been doing it since Tuesday. So today we'll be doing it, tomorrow, and then Friday. All right. Bookmap is only good for futures, not necessarily, and I can prove that time and time again. Okay, so look at gold here, guys. We're getting a nice push. Okay, right back to break even almost. Nothing is starting to break below. All right. Okay, so your gold would have tapped break even if you would have got into that initial trade. Guys, I promise you, I absolutely promise you that when we go live and we trade with Bookmap, you will see how beneficial it is to current market conditions. All right. And Bookmap is used for stocks and futures, absolutely. But there is a way with 5-minute scalping, 15-minute trading, you can really have a huge advantage over seeing the pending orders, where the liquidity is sitting. It gives you a nice, beautiful heat map showing you where we're at. Okay. All right, guys. So you can see that. Look at gold here. I'm still holding that trade. I haven't exited just yet. All right. So we're just gonna keep going, watching NASDAQ too. We haven't got any alarms on NASDAQ. All right, just choppy today. Yep, pipping with PK after, guys. That's the best session post New York, catching mad reversals or mad continuations. It's my favorite session to trade post. New York is not my favorite. This time is not my favorite. There's too much erratic behavior. Less stress. Trust me, this stuff during this time is not. It's not very fun in terms of stress. Okay, so we're still just choppy right now. All right, I want to take a look at quickly. Let's look at NASDAQ here, so still selling off. GU found some support level here. Nothing broke below that 1550 level. Okay, we didn't even get there just yet. Okay, so that's the psychological number for GBP USD. All right, and you can see the DXY here, guys. We're starting to drop down into that liquidity here. Okay, so we're going to mark that as a little bit of a green zone here. This is going to be maybe some buyers are stepping in. Victor, you want oil? Every single call, Victor wants oil. Let's see if we got here. No, we're not at oil. We're not at oil time yet. It's not time to get oily. It's time to come on, Goldie. Andrea, just message see the Stock Sniper Media group in our Discord right now. Sorry, not in Discord, but in the Zoom. Message them, okay? They'll be able to get you set up, no problem. Is anyone holding these cells with me? I'm still running in it, guys. I'll send a beautiful screenshot to the group. Back running 17 pips here. Oh yeah. I told you, if you're not using your break even, have set 1671, 1672 as your stop loss right around here. Just tap it. Okay, new trade, new candle opening up. Here's 820. Oh yeah, guys, I'm running 20 pips. I want to fill that wick. Okay, so I'll show you where you can have your stop. Okay, you can have it anywhere around in here. Okay, I'm looking. That would be a 1-to-1. So if you're having that 1672, now you can start to move it a little closer, move it maybe above the 9 EMA. All right, different things like that. If you want, you can move it to break even now. Short-term demand here, you can see because of the level to the left. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm going to send you my trade to the free FX group. Okay, you can see it on the 5. If you don't know the free FX group, guys, we've been sharing that. Oh yes. Let's go, guys. Yeah, we're doing CAD news. Absolutely. Okay, guys, so check out the free FX group. I'm going to send you the gold trade here. Move your stop loss to break even and enjoy. I'm running 30 pips. You guys can see it right here. Oh, there's a YouTube alarm going off. Okay, looking good. Brad, it's just the free FX group. It's just something for promotion. Oh, yes. Yeah, it's just Telegram, guys. PK is running. Yep, he's running the Stock Sniper Media group right now. Okay, here we're coming to a critical level. So let's just keep dropping it, guys. Did anyone grab this gold trade? Like, you know, I can tell you that this is a big move. I'm not sure if anyone held this, but that's a 40 pip drop easily. And I told you guys to hold here. You can see we're dropping about almost, it did drop about 40 pips with that wick, and now, yeah, there we go, there's 40 pips. Okay, guys, I'm good. Secured 40 pips, 400 bucks. Okay, I'm out. Personally, if it drops some more, guys, let it do. The wick will get filled, I do believe that, guys, and you can see from the level of support to the left. Okay, I do think that they're either going to do one or two things here. So let me just move this to break even so we can get around that whole big green Shrek thing. Okay, you can see the 4-hour support. If they hold it here, that's where you're going to start to see the reversal. Maybe a short-term pullback before the continuation on the drop. All right, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's watch and see NASDAQ here. Oh, there we get that NASDAQ break. Let's see GU. Nothing is broke yet on GBP USD. Okay, you're still holding there. And look at the DXY, guys. So look how important this is. Okay, you can see the trend line, how they respected the hell out of that thing. They just brought it back down here, guys, to grab some liquidity from the overall previous structure. And you can see the big green box is showing some demand area. And now you're starting to get a walk to the upside. All right. So let's watch and see what's going on with the DXY here. Yeah, there we go, guys. Remember I talked about filling that wick? Let's see if we can get it. 8:30 is coming in, okay? So this is what I really want to see, the new 15-minute candle. Are we going to drop or pop? What do you guys think? Oil's ready to sell, Dave. What is Bookmap saying? I'm not running Bookmap right now. I don't think I'd be live. This computer is not able to hold it because I have about 7 or 8 applications that are heavy, very heavy right now on it. Guys, I just want to say cheers, okay? One, for following me live always, okay? Mad respect. You guys could do a lot more with your time if you really wanted to, but I think the value of what we're offering here on the 5 minutes, it's fun, it's suspenseful, it can kick you in the nuts at times, but again, if done right, it can be a lot of pay for your account, okay? Yeah, guys, let's check out our scanner. Let's check out our scanner here, see what's working on gold. There we go, guys. Let's see if we can get this drop. Okay, so we got oil on the 30-minute looking overbought here, on the 15-minute overbought, okay? And then you can see GBP USD on the higher time frame looking like it's overbought. Sean, you don't know what it does? It just reads overbought and oversold conditions based on our parameters. Okay, I'm not going to say that live, okay, because I don't really want people to go create it, but you know, this is based on what we do. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is, when you see this, you want to flip to the chart and see if there's going to be a trade set up. Okay, that's pretty much it. All right. So right now, like I said, we're just watching. Gold for me is not really looking overbought, oversold. We're not just there yet. You can see the support level that's being held. As soon as we break, and if we break where we're at right now, you're going to start to see this looking about green, which is going to start to show some buy opportunities. Now, here's the thing. It doesn't always work 100% in terms of trade entries. It's just giving you the setup to look for potentially in the near future. Okay. So let's give it to about 2 minutes here, about 1 minute and 33, and we're going to watch and see how the new 15-minute and 30-minute, so brown homo, is supposed to be red. It's supposed to be red. Back to green candles? Actually, yeah, I don't want green candles. Let's go to blue. I like blue better. Good call. Thanks for the reminder, guys. Yeah, guys, thanks for calling me out. Thanks for letting me know. I got people loving it, and they're like, no. Guys, it's just the candle color. If we break here, guys, I think we can get back down to that 200 EMA. That momentum is strong. And that's going to be the next consolidation area that if we get. Here we go, guys. Here's that 830. Look at where we're at right here. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's see if we can get that continuation. Oh, no. Oh, come on. Okay, they're holding it there. See how they're drawing to that, guys? They're trying to wick. Okay, so just hold off if you're any kind of buys or sells right now, guys. Wait for the short-term pullback if we're going to get it. Yeah, my man. I want to give a shout out to my man Dan, Big Dan from Germany. Dan, the man, I know he's watching right now. He just sent me a picture of him with Bookmap and me on YouTube Live. If he's watching now, bro, I miss you. You gotta text me. I gotta come down to Germany. Don't be shy, man. I miss you, bro. Hope all's well. Okay. All right, guys. So, like I said, this is some indecisive action right now. All right. Just the first 5 minutes of the new hourly candle, or sorry, new 30-minute candle is just opening up. All right. We can see that we're still in that downtrend. All right, we just need to break this critical level, and you can see to the left here, guys, like they're respecting this level support. Look at the volume that happened over here. Okay, so if we get this break, which we're starting to right now, okay, like you can see they're attempting to break this with the wicks, but they're still drawn to that key level. That's 1675 area, 1665, not 1675, sorry, 1665, 1666. Okay, anywhere in there. So you can see if we get this breakdown here, it's going to be a full retracement back down to this demand. Okay. There goes NASDAQ, guys. Okay. Let's erase this consolidation. I'm still not very, happy with how NASDAQ is trading, and you can see why. All right, you can see that over to the left. We have some buys here. All right. Let's see what we got here. NASDAQ sells. NAS buy 115. Okay, one sec, guys. Let's just come up with something right here. 8:30. All right. Make that red so I can see it real quick. So where are we at on the NASDAQ buys? Okay, 11406.5, 11406.5. Okay, right around down there. If we're looking for some buys on NASDAQ. Okay. Then for my NASDAQ sells, 11523.25. Right in there. That's my zone I'm working with right now, guys. Okay, on NASDAQ, selling up here, buying down here. Okay, so right now we look like we're heading back down. We got to break this hourly support, if anything. Okay, I'm not doing nothing until I get to one of these key levels in here. Okay, you can see we're just below the 50 line. Okay, and you can see we're probably coming back down to this general area down in here, the 406 mark. Okay. Do you ever use volume or footprint chart? I personally don't. Okay, we have someone in our group that does. Okay, and then they're very successful at it. But you just need to learn how to read the footprints. Okay. Okay, so NASDAQ, let's take a quick look at GU here. Okay, GU's still holding, guys. Nothing's breaking anything yet. It's very consolidated. Okay, I guarantee we almost got 300 likes. So let's take a look at gold. It's almost dropping here. One sec. Okay, if we break down here, guys, I might enter in a small additional sell. I want to see here one quick second. There's the Dow coming back down. There's oil still looking bullish, guys. Nothing broke down on oil yet. Okay, so we're going to stick with gold and see if we can follow this whole thing. Check 1 minute oil. That's one thing I don't like to do, guys. I don't like to trade on 1 minutes. $1663.63. Yeah, it makes sense, guys. Like, take a look down here, 1663 area. Look at where we're at, guys. I'm running an additional 4 pips. I took that gold sell here. I didn't want to say it live just in case it reversed, but I did get in that gold sell again. Okay. Yeah, I'm not right now, guys. I'm not looking at oil. I'm okay right now. D51. That's just a 100 pip TP. Okay. Can we please do oil now? Yeah, we can check what oil for sure. 1 second here. All right, let's go take a look at oil. Okay. Members monitor gold. We're going to go right to oil here. If I go to oil, guys, and this trade pays off, everyone on the stream has to sign up for our group, okay? That's the dealio. I'm just joking. All right, here we go. 85.9.912. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. 85.912. Okay. Gold just tapped. That's the only area I'm looking for potential oil sell right now. Okay. Twisted, we have too many people already, man. You have no idea. Okay, that's my area I'm looking for, that oil sell. Okay, roughly around 86. Looking for the TP, guys, would be around 83.8 if it all plays out correctly here. And remember, just remember, okay? Are you happy being a retail trader? Why not learn SMC? What is SMC? Can someone elaborate and tell me what SMC is so we know? I obviously need to learn SMC because we don't know how to trade. Watch that level, guys, okay? Yep, we don't know how to trade. We need to learn SMC here. No, I know, hon. I like to just talk about it. SMC, the #1 selling concept in the world for traders. I'm running 113 bucks using SMC concepts. Did I say you can't trade it? Just asking why. I know. I'm joking around, guys. I don't like that term SMC. It's a huge selling point a lot of people put on there. Just say learn how to trade price action. That's my suggestion to you. Okay, roughly running 60 pips. Yeah, I even saw Raja say it, Smart Raja. Yeah, use that concept. Uh, okay, so guys, we're dropping here. Like, I'm gonna secure that trade. I'm getting pretty happy here. 10 pips, in and done. Ten pips and dip, guys. This entire call, my 2 gold sells, I've made 400 bucks. That's it. Okay, so we're gonna see if we're gonna tap our TP. Let's see if we can get that 1663. Mo Marty, we use hustler concepts. That's what it is. No sleep, grinding it out. Can we check out USD CAD? Yeah, actually we can. I think we're running in a trade on that. Actually, I didn't even see it go out. Are we running in a USD CAD right now? Buy, guys? I think we are. Trader Sarah, you're in? Good, hun. Let's see where we got in that USD CAD. Sent to the Discord. Okay, we got in at 1.354. $1.354. Right around in here. Okay, missed the double bottom entry, but we caught that nice little breakout there. You can see it's roughly running about 25 pips. Okay, beautiful move and continuing. Okay, back on gold. Members, you guys have all the trades, okay? You guys have all the trades, all right? Just follow along on Discord. Sometimes it takes play, a little bit of time to take fruition, but just follow along, okay? All right, let's go look at that oil trade here. Look at the Dow. Let's take one peek at quickly NASDAQ before. Okay, so we have not dropped, guys. And Neil, I joined yesterday. Are we supposed to complete the entire course before we can join Zoom? No, absolutely not, Neil. You can actually, it's in the Zoom room thread on Discord. Okay, so you should be able to access that, no problem. Okay. Okay, so here we go, guys. Look at the flat line we have here. Okay. Look at the momentum change we have on oil. We're starting to rise. All right. So let's just watch. So here, my man. Catherine, it'll come soon. It just takes some patience, okay? Remember, he may have been trading for a little bit, all right? So just take some patience. Don't get worried about making that. Get worried about making percentages. Guys, we are going to stay for 10 a.m. news. Okay, just FYI, CAD. All right. $321 likes, guys. You guys are rocking. Okay, so let's watch and see here very closely what's going to happen with oil. Oh, spicy. Twisted gold trade hit TPM out. My man. Hassan, do we stream every day? Yep, we do. Sometimes we need a break though, just like everyone else. You guys got to understand, like it's very hard to stream every day, but again, we're very consistent with it. All right, that's why you can see we have almost 42,000 people. All right, and guys, FYI, I didn't mention this, and no one's been promoting it, but I did say it in the Telegram group a while ago. At 42,000, guys, by the end of today, the end of the week, we're going to be doing a 42K giveaway. Let's see if we're almost there now. Not yet, almost. Okay, so 42K, we're going to give away a free month, all right, and a free one-on-one session, roughly $150 value. All right, so if you guys want to, boost it up or tell your friends, more than happy. Ian, absolutely not. Imagine. I would need to borrow that from Z for all the profits he makes on one trade. How often do we stream? Once a day, guys. Any particular time? Yep, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. Okay, now here's the key thing, guys. Remember we talked about stop loss. Remember, 72 would be your area right up there if you're still holding it. Okay, now what happened here is move your stop loss to break even. Okay, right, and now you can start to trail your stop. I would even move your stop loss. I'm going to make it a red note for you guys. If you guys are still in this trade, okay, if you still are, if you guys hit your TP and you're very happy with that, God bless you. Okay, all right, so this is where I would move roughly 1664.5. Okay, and let it run. Okay. Yes, let's check out the oversold part on gold here. This is going to show us some nice opportunities. Okay, look at gold on the 5 minutes, guys. Remember we talked about if we broke that key level here. All right. You can see it's looking at 20.95. Okay, and then you can see US 30 is roughly looking for the same thing. All right. Mo, yeah, just patience. You don't want to be buying on this downtrend here. Okay. Look at where we can get to. Remember that full retracement level here, 1658, maybe 1657. Okay, like just yes, exactly. Yeah, that's right, Mo, my man. Okay, let's look at NASDAQ here. Yep. Okay, so NASDAQ found that little level bottom here. I told you I'm not looking at anywhere until we get to that 11,406. Okay, that's my key level here. And I would generally be looking at the 15-minute. Okay, so you can see why I'm looking here. Okay, look at the multiple attempts. Support, 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 support. That's my level, okay? I'm not looking for anything before that, all right? What's going on with oil, guys? Are we about to get oily here? Nothing. Nada. Nada shite. So we're still in those gold buys from the bottom here, guys, from back over here. Look at the range we have here, okay? I'm waiting for 10 a.m. news. Okay, 10 a.m. news. I think oil is going to be heavily affected by that CAD. All right. And we're not doing anything at this moment, which is weird because usually oil will follow gold. Okay. Guys, buy pre-London session. I took GU 50 pips, day trading lab. What's up, buddy? Okay, so we're going to sit here on oil. Altitude 7402. I need someone to contact me from SST. Just please send us an email on the website, okay? You can check out right here. We're done doing some of our updates, so you can go right down to the bottom, okay? And you can send us a message, get in touch right here, and we'll go from there, okay? Look at the Dow here. Okay, oil and gold, you can see very different, but gold is starting to hold now, okay? Let's see if where that 200 level is. Right there, guys. If this thing falls, we're getting a death cross and coming back down to this level right down here. 1657. So when this Android, no, it's not looking for a buy. Okay, so the scanner, guys, like, just let me repeat this, okay? Just like any indicator, okay, they're not 100%. What this is showing you, okay, is market conditions, okay? So right now it's showing you that market conditions are showing that price of gold is overbought. You can possibly look for a short-term pullback, okay? That's it. All right. It's not saying buy now, sell now. And you don't really ever want to be doing that based on an indicator anyways. You want to watch the indicator level, okay? So right now it's showing that it's oversold, right? So it's saying, okay, we're right at that 200 EMA. Is there any type of identification candle here or potential reversal candle that's showing price may reverse bullish, coming back up to maybe at least our stop loss, okay? So that's how I would look at doing this. When I first started, guys, literally, I remember watching MACD, RSI, and all this stuff. And, I would enter in on overbought and oversold. Sometimes it would work, sometimes it wasn't. And then, I started to over leverage, and it became like, it became a mess to the point where it's like you needed to find something else better to look for, but still have these in your back pocket just to show you where the market's at, okay? So just don't, and that's not just with our scanner here. just for any indicator in general, you just want to watch price, okay, and watch and see, is there an engulfing candlestick here? Is there any type of reversal 3-bar play, right? Are we getting some rejection at resistance and some formation of level at support? Different things like that, okay? Guys, I just want to give a shout out to all of our admins here. My man Day Trading Lab, always supporting me and the stream, okay? I want to give a shout out to Universal Knowledge. She's a gem here. Tammy, thank you for coming back on. My man Albin, you know, and I got a bunch of other Shahab and all the mods, guys, like for real. Hopefully you guys are making some pips while you're doing it and enjoying the good class of how our moderators are acting, okay? All right, so let's watch and see here. US 30 is finding a little support. Okay, oil is still bullish, guys. Like, it's, as much as I want to say get into a trade here, a skill set in itself is sitting on your hands and knees. PK, buddy, come on. My man PK, moderator, live streamer with us in the back. He handles Post New York. The guy grabs pips for people for over $100. Just bought me a coffee, and I appreciate it, bro. Okay, look at oil, guys. Straight up, look at oil. Still trendy. Okay, still trendy like Fendi. All right, let it go. I'm not doing anything until it gets those levels. All right. Okay, and as much as I want to say, you know, let's enter in early, it ain't worth it for me. All right. Look at the Dow retracing now, testing that key level support. All right, we got a lot of love here, so let's just see what I got going on in the Dow Jones. Okay, let's go to our 15-minute real quick. Marcus, yes and no. Sometimes they'll just get those impulse, you know what I mean? As much as I want to tell you, yes, you're still going to get that impulse sometimes, right? 100 pips. Sarah, you caught the buy? Beautiful. Hopefully you're holding it from yesterday. 318.73.7. Okay, so that was the nice Dow sell here. I do believe that we are going to retrace back down on the Dow Jones. We're coming to a critical level of support here. All right, this is on the 15-minute, okay? I want to take a look quickly on the hourly. Neon Rave, I will. I've been saying that for over 3 months now, and I'm waiting for you to always come on my stream and chirp me about the bell. All right. Guys, look, if we break this level here, okay, that's the free fall that we're going to be in, all right? Kusama Hassani, send us an email, bro. Let's talk about this. You got to remember, with the tax thing, you may not be there, but we are. So just send us an email, okay? Get it. That's our homepage, the index page. Get in touch, and we'll answer it after the stream, and we'll be in touch, okay? So there's the 5-minute Dow. Okay, still breaking down here. Can you erase everything? Okay, and we'll wait and see what's going on. The new 9 a.m. guys is coming in now, okay? So that's why we're just kind of floating around, not doing too much. We had the beautiful gold sell-off here to cap the call, and now we're just waiting for everything to go. Let's see. NASDAQ found a nice little buy. Okay, GU's breaking down slowly here. How much is tax, guys? It's 13%. That's the government speaking, not me. Okay, and then you can see the DXY here, guys. So look, this is interesting. We broke through. Look at the volume. 25%. Oh my goodness. I don't want to talk about tax, guys. The governments, they hard working people like us, the government gives away a shit ton of money. They give it away like nothing, like no problem. Trillions of dollars. Each country does this, and then who do they take it back from? The people. Us, who are sitting here working day in and day out, sometimes working 14-hour jobs, supporting our kids, husband, wife, whatever the fuck it is. And then they come and say, okay, give me some of that money that you work so hard for. Let me just take your money from the 401k. Let me just destroy your stock. I don't want to talk about it, guys, because I will do a whole stream based on that shit, and I don't want to get into it, okay? We the people should have the power. Leave our money alone. Okay. Sorry, guys, I can get off here. Okay, so nice. You can see that gold demand. All right. Previous structure looking good. All right. So the scanner actually, held a nice little opportunity. Okay. Look at that. So oversold. Could have got a buy. That's about a 20 pip move, guys. That's nice. So this thing would have hit your stop loss coming to your trailing if you moved it to 64. But remember, you're now securing all of that. All right. So you're not letting that piss away. Okay. All right. If it touches there, if not, let it go. All right. In Sweden, you pay 30 to 50%. Yeah, I don't want to talk about that, man. It makes me sad. Okay, let's take a look at oil here. Still bullish, guys. Let it do its thing. Okay, here we go. Nice. Still bully rally on gold. Okay, let's take a look at USD CAD, guys. Okay, so USD CAD, a little bit of short-term pullback here. Remember, members, if you guys are in on that, thing ran about 29, 30 pips, and now it's retracing back down. Okay. $9.02. Okay, so we're coming to that time where we got about 20 minutes, 25 minutes until market open. All right. Let's take a look at GU here. One of the slowest moving things I've seen all day. All right. And then there's the DXY, big push. Sword. We're going to be trading USD CAD at 10 a.m. We're going to stay for that news. Okay. All right. Right now we're just going to chill. We're going to do the indices market open as usual. Okay. We're going to watch both of them, but then everything is getting ready for that CAD news, which we're going to go over right here. Okay. All right. There is some news on USD as well, so this will be heavily impacted. I personally think in Canada they're going to raise the interest rates again. All right. That's what everybody's kind of predicting, but we'll watch and see. Okay. Last time we did catch the sells on US CAD, but then it ran bullish, continued after the call. Okay. All right. So let's just take a look at the BOC member monetary policy. Okay. So why traders care? It provides valuable insight of the bank. Hopefully, one second. Let me scroll in so you guys can see this here. Bank of economic conditions and inflation, the key factors that will shape the future's monetary policy and influence their interest rate decisions. Okay, so see what I mean about I think they're going to do it, guys, and I'm going to tell you guys something straight up. About 3 weeks ago, all right, I straight up almost bought a house. Okay, like we're not talking, I didn't need a mortgage. Okay, but I thought about diversifying, and I went to go talk to my mortgage guy, and he literally is like, Dave, not the best time. And I talked to 3 other people, and they said the same thing. They think that they're going to raise it. Okay, and that's coming from just predictions, but also from agents. All right, so let's watch and see how that's actually going to take place. Okay, and look at oil, guys. 9 a.m. Are they going to flip the script on oil? What's going to happen here? All right, you think the Fed will hike next week? Guys, let's see here. Charles. I'm not going to message your last name. I just sent you a message on your YouTube channel regarding assistance. I would like to get started. However, I'd like to speak to someone before I do. You guys are doing an amazing job, by the way. I'm available anytime. Charles, we'll be in touch with you, bro. I appreciate you sending an email. Okay, let's just watch and see how this is going to move, guys. Okay. Damien, I know, bro. That's why we drink vodka. Just kidding. Okay, guys. I'm going to take a 2-second break as I want to go refill my coffee here. So I'm going to leave oil. Now, here's the thing, okay? Just like how indices roll, all right? You saw it happen with me live, okay? This is a key level from our system, okay? So, guys, I'm just showing you this. Do you see this volume right here, okay? The level was rejected once and respected it, okay? Do you remember how we talked about making next legs up? Okay, look at the volume that it took to break right here. This is telling you something very key, that this level, 85, 86, 85.91, 86 is a very critical level on gold, okay? Very critical level. So what could happen here is this, okay? Me personally, I don't do anything. I usually have a 50 pip stop loss, okay? So if it's at 86, I'm at 86.50, okay? No matter what, all right? So what could happen here is, see the volume, institutions pushing it through. They could come up here, maybe make a retest at the level, maybe dangle it around here, impulse drop, but then they can shoot it right back up. Okay, why? Because look at the trend we're in already. All right, sorry, oil, not gold, guys. I'm fixated on gold. All right, so just let's monitor this accordingly. No one should be entering in until we get to this level right here. We know that has double tap around 86. So let's just watch and see how this is going to move, okay? So give me 2 seconds, guys. I will be right back. I'm going to leave oil on the chart here, and we're going to see how that's going to go, okay? Please enjoy a coffee as well, and give me 2 minutes, and I will return. Okay, guys, back at it. Got a nice. I didn't get a coffee. I got a little energy booster here. Do you have a recommendation for a regulated broker in Canada? You can look at Blueberry Markets. They're pretty good. Blueberry is a well-respected broker. Fusion too. Yeah, Fusion's a good one too. Salo, go in the Telegram group and check it out. Okay, oil's coming, guys. It's pushing back down. A lot of support at that 86, guys. Your email ID. Guys, I can't keep repeating this, okay? I appreciate everyone joining on here, but just send us an email, go to the website, all right? Get in touch with us there. Give us 24 hours to respond. It's not me or my partner answering it. We have an administrative team. And when the first time I sent that, guys, I received 12 emails, all right? 12 emails by showing that system once, okay? Look at US 30 pushing back up, did not drop, okay? Look at gold, guys, still pushing, all right? Steve, it's no inconvenience, bro. Absolutely not. I need to create a bot to show the email link. I think that's better. Okay, so look at that right here. All right, gold was beautiful, guys. So you know what? Our scanner did actually kind of pay off and help you get into a trade if you guys got it. I didn't personally take it, but if you did, that's maybe a 25, 30 pip move on gold. All right. Will I do after? Okay, not during, and I will during it. Absolutely, I'll make the update. Thanks for letting me know, bro. Okay, look at Nasdaq, finding that nice little buy opportunity. Okay, look at GU still holding that. All right, they're not letting GU break right now, guys. It's very heavily correlated with gold. You can still see. All right, still holding. And look at the DXY here, guys. Okay, so 913. Okay, so look at where they came up. See the one-time supply here, try to push down. We then have another area right up in here. Okay, that was the next level that pushed it back down right at this level. Okay, probably coming back down and testing that 110. Lisa, I feel you there. Just a little bit of patience here. Remember, Forex pairs are not like indices. All right. Okay, so remember I told you guys this is a critical level, 86. Okay, let's watch and see. Geraldo, we're Sorry guys, I was just thanks for letting me know about no sound. I was just talking to some of the Zoom guys. Anyone like Bitcoin? BTC, you're making my fucking week right now. Members, go in the Discord thread section. Go in the crypto thread. That's my week on Bitcoin right now. Oh, guys, oil. Who's getting oily with me here? Oh, let's go. Come on. Need to break this level here, guys. I don't want to see a wick up. Ian, are you still mad at GU right now? Here, slowly. We need to see some momentum push, guys. I don't want to see a wick back up here. There's still 2 minutes. Let's see if we can get to this. Maybe a TP on oil here. Larry, you got 5 lots on GU, my man. Just monitor it accordingly, guys. 9:18 here. We got 2 minutes until the new candle's opening up, guys. So we dip down here. You know, it's attempting to break. Not much volume is closing just yet. Remember, this is still just an impulsive candle drop. All right. I'd like to see more volume breaking this level here. There's still 1 minute and 24 seconds. It'd be great if this thing just volume dropped right here, at least down to maybe breaking that wick, maybe down to 85, 75. See the wick I told you about? So if you didn't enter in, you're still a little nervous. Let's watch and see here. Okay. '86 critical level here. All right. We need to see the flush past this level of close below. That's just the initial wick down. Okay. And is it a buy or sell on oil? We'll watch on this candle right here. Okay. See that critical level? And I told you guys before, the institutional candles that took to break it, this thing could be acting as support. All right. So very patiently, we're going to watch and see how this candle is going to move. There's 9 seconds. They started to close above it. Sorry, there was 1 second. You can see they're starting to now retest initial entry here. They didn't let it break down below. All right. So give it some time here. Let's see if that thing's going to play out. Okay, so it looks like they're holding right now, guys. Okay, so far there's no volume closing below. All right, nothing has held below that 86 mark. Let's see if we can make another attempt here. I don't use high leverage, guys, at all, and I use small lot sizes, especially with the time here, 9:21. All right, we're watching oil, but I'm still like, I want to get over to the indices soon. I want to see how everything's going to move based on the market open. Okay. Okay, about a minute here. We're going to head over at about 9. We're still going to watch oil, okay, but we're going to head over at around 9:25 to focus on. I want to do NASDAQ today, guys. All right, going to leave the Dow Jones alone. And then I'm going to focus on USD CAD at around 10 a.m., okay? Okay, so see how they're still holding it here, guys. 9:23, just about a minute and 30 seconds coming in. It's not letting it break there. It's finding that level of support we talked about. Okay, so we're going to monitor this. We got about just under 1 minute here, okay? Just under 1 minute. And then I'm going to flip over and do the indices, okay? Okay, just 19 seconds. New candle is going to open up here, guys. So you can see there's been 3 attempts to break and 3 support levels have been held. Okay, we need a volume-based candle to break this critical level. Okay, look to the left. All right, you can see its level of support. Guys, we'll do USD CAD at around 955, 950. All right, leading into that news. Okay. But for right now, we're just going to sit and monitor what we're doing. All right. Okay, guys, 925 here. So people just watch what you're doing here on oil. Okay. If it breaks, we have some alarms set here. Just monitor this critical level. Okay. You can see nothing has broken below just yet. They've attempted to break, but they keep wicking it back up. All right. So where do you want to put your stop loss? I would put it at around, 86.50. Just me personally. It's up to you. all right, whatever you guys want to do. I have not entered in that oil trade yet, all right? I'm waiting. Those wick downs are suspect because of the support level right here, okay? If we do tend to get a break, then we'll look at maybe taking an entry, but for right now, let's just watch and monitor this, and we'll head over and flip and watch. We're going to do NASDAQ for today, okay? So let's just watch and see here. You can see oil support level being held, all right? So monitor this accordingly, and we're going to make that flip now, okay? Goldie's pushing right back down, all right? Looking pretty suspect in terms of, maybe any bullish continuations here. We're in that demand level, all right, to the left. Okay, if we break here, you want to see if they're in a death cross. We'll take a look. Yeah, if we break here, guys, you can see gold is going to break, fall below that 200, all right, and then that 9 EMA is going to cross, and then we're probably going to get back down to that 1657 level, all right. All right, let's go check out NASDAQ here. All right, guys, you know my critical levels on NASDAQ, all right? You know that they're right around in here for opportunities of buys. 11,406.5, okay? And then I have my sells coming in at 115,325, okay, right up in here. So we're in that little zone. You can see drop, nice gapping window here. Price level was rejected, okay, and then we've got that level of support forming down here. So initially, right off the bat in market open, I'm probably going to let it do its thing until we get to one of these key levels, and then we'll look at that trade, okay? So let me take a quick peek here. I want to check out one more. I want to see how USD CAD's doing. Okay, so remember, as you can see, that USD CAD trade is still running, okay? Like, that's almost a 40 pip move. It is a 40 pip move at the top wick. Okay, that's a double bottom breakout, very similar to how the gold trade was yesterday. All right, that's what I'm monitoring here, just because of the news we have coming up. All right. Okay, so here we go. Look to the left, guys. Nice level of support is being held. All right. Let's see how this market open is going to go. So we've got about 9:29 here, about 1 minute. All right, let's write down these rules here. All right, do not risk more than 1%. Wait for that 9:30. Wait till we get to one of those key red levels, and then we'll look at taking a trade. Okay. Here we go, just 18 seconds, guys. I'm going to raise that 15-minute resistance here. We're just going to use the higher time frame. Okay, we're falling here. Let's watch 11,406. Let's see if we can maybe get an opportunity around this level. So coming to key here, just wait. Okay, wait first a little bit. We're going to see if this is going to break through here. A lot of times they do, okay? They're going to flush through here, and we're going to see if it's going to retrace back and maybe come at that critical level. So let's just watch and see here. Okay, there's the break. All right, let it do its thing here, guys. Let's watch and see. I haven't entered in anything yet. I know how these things play. All right, see, we talk about the break, let it fall. Okay, let it fall here. Going to see how this is going to move. Okay, big volume base sell. All right, now tapping that 4-hour support. Let's see now how the next candle is going to open up here. Sorry, I can't really see that actually, my bad. Sorry. Let's watch. Okay, move that over. Let's see how we're going to move. Guys, I took a small feeler buy, okay? Very small, right near the bottom. We're going to see if the level is going to get respected or not. So just let the first 5-minute play out here. Let's see if that level is actually going to get respected. Oil did hold some support, okay? Oil held support here, okay? So no confirmation close on oil. Look at NASDAQ. Let's see if we can get that push, all right? Okay, I'm going to show you the buy to the free Telegram group, guys, just so you can see I'm not bullshitting you. We can go from there. Okay, so even if you missed it, guys, it's okay. Just it's good to see that that CRE level is starting to get hit. I told you that 11,406 was critical, and you can see, look at that big wick that it caught for the first 5-minute candle. Remember, you're breaking your rules if you're trading this anyways, okay? But if you could see and you did grab it, you can see that's maybe 33 pips, all right? If we look at US 30 here, okay, oh, sorry, I went the other way. There's gold, double bottom. Look at the Dow here, big, huge critical candle, massive. Okay, that's a big candle, guys. All right. And then you can see we're back on NASDAQ. Okay, so here we go. You can see the initial wick got pushed up, and now we're coming again and testing. Okay, so we've got 45 seconds here. Let's see how the new candle opens up, guys. So oil did not close below, all right? Nothing closed below on oil. Remember we talked about having that key critical support so far. It started to hold and it's pushing right back up now, okay? Okay, new candle opened up, guys, starting to sink down a bit. Okay, so let's watch and see. Okay, so right back to break even. Let it do its thing here. Okay, so if we're still holding NASDAQ, you can see that its level of support is still forming. Let's take a look at GU still holding here. NASDAQ is. Goldie's starting to get a nice little beautiful W pattern here. Wow, guys, that's nice. Okay, and the Dow is starting to have a short-term retracement. Okay, buy gold. I'm not looking at gold right now, guys, personally. Okay, I'm just watching and monitoring NASDAQ at this time. Okay, oil just boomed up, guys. So do you see how I told you to just wait for that candle? We're right back now at 86.5. All right. Explosive candle, did not break down below that support. And I did tell you guys that that level right there, it was broken by an institutional candles, and we might hold that key level. And you can see that if you went there, we're going to quickly go there 2 seconds. Look at oil and gold. Look at the Dow still holding. See what I mean about nothing closed below, guys? And hopefully I saved you guys from entering in on oil right there, because that's a nice institutional continuation from these two breaks right there. Look at the volume to break that key level. Okay, so no worries. All right, let's watch NASDAQ. Okay, I'm going to take a, let's see on NASDAQ here. Okay, guys, I entered another buy on NASDAQ. I'm going to see how this is going to go. And members, this was sent in the indices group about 3 hours ago, 2 hours ago. Hey, buddy, come on up. Go boy, go boy. Okay, so right down, right back up, okay? So that would be roughly, you know, I think we can probably get back up there even further, but let's watch and see. Nothing to even tap break even, guys. You can see that trade is running about maybe 50 pips. As soon as we break above here, we're getting a 50 pip move. Okay. Everything switched market open. Everything switched from bullish to bearish, guys. Sorry, bearish to bullish. Okay. Monitor this accordingly. Let's take a look at USD CAD. Big drop, guys. Look at CAD following the DXY. All right. Everything switched at 9:30. All right. Everything switched at 9:30. That's why I tell you, be very careful trading into 9:30. I say this numerous times every single day, right? If you're holding any trades, look to secure the trades, you know? What happened with oil? Victor, if you're paying attention, I said the institutional candles that took to break 86 then held that level of support. And nothing even closed below. I did not even enter in on oil. I'm in this NASDAQ buy right now. It was a good attempt. Looked solid, but nothing came to play. Let's go, guys. Let's get that push. Yeah, baby. Let's go. See if we can get it. Okay, so getting a little bit rejection here. Coming back. Look at the levels. Still holding that downtrend. Any trades still to take? I missed all of them. Get up earlier, bro. Okay. Look what they want to do. They want to push it back down, guys. Probably testing that hourly support. If it breaks below the hourly, guys, I'm going to secure on this. I got him from the bottom. Here we coming to it right now. Breaks here, I'm getting out. I'm out, guys. Okay, quick scalping. Okay, let the news play out here. We got the first 15-minute the last 15-minute candle. All right. Let's see what's happening on GU, guys. Oil still evaporated those sellers. Okay, so take a look quickly on GBP USD. Okay, GU is getting a little rejection here. All right, let's take a look at a critical level, guys. 1.1550. Okay. So nice attempt to break down here. You can see it's just about maybe 24 pips and drawdown. Okay, have your stop loss around 50, around 1600. Still looking good. Okay, let's watch and see how it's going to go. NASDAQ, you cheeky bastard. Okay, let's see what's happening on oil now. Did oil pushing back down? Okay, look at gold still holding. Look at Dow still selling off. Wow, that's a big rejection. Okay, then we got oil coming in here. Let's see if that was just a liquidity grab. And we're going to start to sell off here. I'm still holding that level, guys. Everything flips script. Okay, so what I mean about exiting, guys, look at what we're doing here. Okay, I'll move that over so you guys can see a little bit better. If we hold this and it opens up bullish, guys, TP I could see maybe getting back up to here. So let's watch. Oil is starting to push back. Okay, look at this. Just chip, chip, chip. Not breaking down here. I want to see this new candle open up in about 20 seconds, guys. They're holding this level pretty strong, okay? But what kind of momentum are they going to do at the 9:15 candle here? Okay, they pushed it down, guys. Here we go. Beautiful, guys. Let's see if we're going to get above this 9 EMA. guys, I'm gonna let these things run now. We'll see how this goes. And in about 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, we're gonna head over and do USD CAD. There's so much manipulation happening right here. Perfect, guys. Let's see if we can get that continuation. All right, I'm running in 2 buys, guys. I smashed them at the bottom. I didn't really want to say anything, but I wanted to see if we're going to get that continuation here. As soon as we break this downtrend, it's game over. Okay, we're going to get a nice little push. We need to get past here. Okay, if nothing breaks there, guys, this is probably going to get rejected and pushing back down. Okay, nothing broke just yet. Got about 2 minutes left here. There we go. Let's see if we can get this push, guys. Ah, yes, there we go. Let's go, guys. Let's run that shit. Fill that wick. Boom, baby. Let's go. Yo, mama. Game over. 150 and 150. There we go. Done. Okay, scalping in and out, guys. Dunzo. All right. Let's take a look at USD CAD now. All right. Don't get greedy here, okay? I don't like this choppy shit, okay? If that doesn't hit TP, guys, this thing's gonna push back down. All right. Monitor this. This is choppy, guys. It's still momentum is still strong here, but again, everything is gonna flip on this news. All right. Let me see if we can get what's going on with CAD here. You guys want to see USD CAD? Karen Hawks, my girl, I miss you. I hope your son is doing well. And we got to have another chat very soon. Did my girl Nicole get me in the, did they get the group in the gold trades? Okay, GU still holding, guys. Nothing broke below. Gold is still choppy. Universal, I know I was just mentioning to her, she caught that nice little gold double bottom here. I like it. And she calls me handsome, so I like her even more. Okay, guys, let's see what we got going on USD CAD here. I just want to see it. I just want to see how it's moving. You know what I mean? I want to finish off the indice, and I'm gonna get something on CAD in about hopefully by 9:55. I'll have something. Okay. There we go, guys. Let's see if we can get that TP here. Not looking so much so far. So let's watch and see. Okay, guys, let's head over to check out USD CAD. You guys ready? You okay if I leave this? Watch and monitor this day. If you guys didn't take any trades, don't feel bad. Who cares? A skill set is sitting on your hands and knees anyways. Okay? It's chop. It's a choppy session right now. Okay? Look at Goldie. Oh my god. Look at Dow. Okay, there we go. There's CAD. There's oil. Look at chop oil. Okay, so CAD is a buy here, guys. 135, 400. It's still showing me that this is the critical level on USD CAD, guys. Like, we sent this morning and it's still saying critical level here. I'm not entirely sure if this is going to break out, but let's just follow the trend from the double bottom here. Okay. Let's see how this is going to move. All right. This is the buy area right here. We're going to see, let the news play out. All right. We got about a minute and 40. Okay. This was the buy that I got sent just right now, 135, 400. Okay. I am indecisive right now on CAD. Okay. If they dump this off, all right, which they could, this is going to be the buy area right here. But again, if they just continue the trend, this is going to be the buy. Regardless, I'm not looking for many sells on CAD. Okay. So if you guys are with me on this, you guys understand that right now I am indecisive on this. This is the buy area. This is another buy area right here for just the continuation. I'm not looking for sells. If it sells off here, it is what it is. Okay. So let's just watch and see about 53 seconds here and how this is going to continue. All right. There's the trend starting to hold here. Okay. You can see uptrend. All right. Let's see if we get that nice little momentum push. I'm going to wait 35 seconds on this. Got about 800 people on here, guys. This was our AI trade alert that paid off this morning. You can see it's still running 45 pips. And we're going to see what's going to happen here. This a heavy divergent play on this current candle right here, but it's still showing a lot of bullish momentum. And this is CAD red folder news, guys. Just FYI. Okay, so let's watch. 9:55 coming in here. Okay, here we go. That's what I like to see here. Let's see the sells. Okay, this is my level right here, the buys. Okay. The stop loss a little bit, maybe over 25, 40 pips, depending, we'll see. We'll go to the base level beyond below structure here, okay? If they sell it off, and we're going to see how this is going to move, maybe they'll have a nice little push for a continuation past here. We'll see. We'll see, guys. Okay, they might just push it right past. Yeah, guys, today we're doing at 2 p.m. We have a live Bookmap webinar with Mr. Brucey Pringle. I love Pringles and I love Bookmap and I like watching Bookmap and eating Pringles. Okay, so we have him at 2 p.m. guys, going over how to trade live liquidity in the market. All right, this thing could sell here, guys. Let it dump. If it does, I have nothing set up here personally. Okay, I have nothing set up here personally. Okay, GU guys is still in the consolidation. There's that news coming in at 10, and my oil is not doing anything. It's just holding that level. Okay. And that level is 135,400. Look at the CAD 4-hour here. We'll take a peek, guys. Look what we got here. Very spicy. Moon or doom on CAD, I'm telling you right now. It breaks that level, we're coming back up to at least 36,500. If it doesn't and it flops down, guys, this thing is just going to shit the bed and fall back down to 134,500. Okay. How many people like Canada? How many people live in Canada? Not me. Got some Ottawa people in here. Very nice. Never been. It's nice, guys. Make sure you take a venture down here to Canuckland. Try our maple syrup. It's the best in the biz. Our beaver tails are definitely where it's at as well. My girl Nicole. Nicole, you're blushing me here. Yeah, guys, we're from London, Ontario, right near Toronto. Okay, most people would have no idea where London is, but right near Toronto. Okay, guys, 48 seconds here. Let's see how this is going to go. For me, this is going to be a high impactful news folder, not only for trading. I'm not taking any real trade right off the bat, okay? But this is going to affect a lot of my friends who are homeowners. A lot of different things are going to be affected by this. So this is why I want to watch this so bad, okay? BC is the best. They also have the best bud in the world, okay? You watch when Mr. Joe Biden legalizes that, the BC bud is going to boom all around the world, okay? I like Bahamas too, sadly, and I wish I lived there. Beautiful, beautiful country. Oh, guys, wow. Okay, so look at that shit go. Whoa, whoa. Look at this, guys. NASDAQ just tapped. All this news just tapped, guys. Look at that. Crazy. Crazy. That's insane. Okay, so I didn't take any of that. Nothing happened. Okay. Vignesh, you got $300 in 2 seconds. But members, just remember this trade, we were running in that before. That's about 100 pips if we tap there. Okay. Everything was waiting on this news, guys. Everything was waiting on this news. Okay, look at that. And we'll check out everything else too. Like this was the trade we sent this morning. Okay, it was the same level. That's why I didn't really want to, I told you I'm not looking for anything selling wise. Okay, I did not believe that it was going to be a sell personally. All right, this was the 35400. If you need screenshots for proof, we'll send it, no problem. But this was sent early in the morning and it just hit TP, which is a big move. Okay, so now let's take a look at everything else here. All right, let's take a look at oil. Okay, oil didn't really have much effect on this right now. All right, you can see nothing really still continued down, but have a key level at 86, guys, for the rest of the day. Okay, the Dow just exploded, and then you got gold exploding too. My girl Nicole, my sweetheart on YouTube, just called out a gold buy, so please give her some love, Nicole Bernard. You know, give her some clapping hands. She deserves it. And then our NASDAQ trade just exploded as well. And it hit TP. If you guys were still holding that, that thing is a move of around 100 pips. Okay. So, guys, I know we built this CAD up to the point where it's like we wanted to, you know, have a good call, but I didn't feel comfortable adding a buy stop or anything like that a little, you know, above that level, because what happens if price reversed? You know what I mean? Like what happens if it did, right? Like what happens if we had a buy stop here and then this shit opened up and it dumped right back down, right? If anything, I was looking for the buy here. Okay, here was just added piece, added icing on the cake if you took it. Okay. So South Bank, you had a buy stop profit at 30. Nice, perfect. 104487. Good. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna give this a quick call here. You know, I hope everyone had a good session. You can see that, you know, we do get some pips live. All right. Before I bounce, guys, this is the website real quick. I got about 700 people on here, almost 800. StockSniperTrading.com. Okay. Scroll down here, guys. I want to show you our schedule. Okay, usually we do 5 London sessions a week. We do 5 New Yorks a week, which is with me live. This is in our private Zoom room with Ron and another trader named Z. Okay, we have post New York called Pippin with PK. All right, then we have 2 trading workshops today, guys. We have the filler right here with Bookmap at 2 p.m. Bruce Pringle. Okay, and then after that we have our weekly webinar, which is going to take place tonight, and then tomorrow our live Q&A. Okay, also, guys, our weekly trading schedule Monday through Friday. All right, we start at around 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it goes all the way up to about 1 p.m. After that, we usually cut it. Okay, if you guys want to join, you know, take a look at it right here. You can browse at your own will and then go from there. Okay, guys, we have over 1,000 plus members in our group and it growing continuously. We are going to be setting a cap just because we want to work with people more privately in terms of the group, so we can help them grow and then they can go off and do their own thing if they want. Okay, so check it out, guys. If you want, you can see the types of trades you get. And just to show you guys proof, I want you guys to head over to the Telegram channel right now. I'm going to take a screenshot of the USD CAD buy that was sent this morning, okay, at 8 o'clock, okay? 8 o'clock USD CAD buy sent to our Discord. The now time is 10 a.m. so you can see, and I'm sending it right now for your example, okay? All right, guys, I'm out of here. Pippin with PK is coming in about 30 minutes, so we're going to have some nice pips. Hopefully you guys are there, and we will. If you're not, we'll see you tomorrow at 7:30. God bless, guys. Have a good day. Peace.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.